Hey guys, so if you're looking for a way, if you can actually crossplay on a crew Motorfest, not you can't. So even starting over here, that's just a scam. Me and my friend bought a game thinking we would be able to play together, but we can only pray that starting matchmaking at the same time puts us in the same race. Now, even when I'm going to come here and look here, crossplay is random matchmaking only grand races. So it's not. It's Motorfest. And you can even play free roam crossplay. And you can do anything crossplay with your friends. So if you're thinking about buying the game because you want to play with your friends crossplay, you won't be able to do it. I just want to make this quick and effective video. What do you need to know that it's not possible? So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.